Because 2024 general elections. What brother now with Tibas and one on yes, yeah, hey, whoa, Sanfuni, a babon thing. But the part of for you know, I had your power. Picture, Samuel capture that particular moment. Say it again. Samuel captures that particular moment. Actually, but maybe say it here for. Come 31st January 2026. Kennedy, Japan. And Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, bisa say. Sa papa for me. I will be able to him Franca. That's right. Edema MPP Amanyoko come 2028 general elections. Ebusia 31st the day in Muhayai. About Saturday 9 days away from today. Now bisa say. Wamumienu one na ususu say. Obetimi edin kunim e wo that contest no. That's right. Is it going to be Kennedy Japan? Is it going to be Dr. Mahmoud Baumia to lead the new patriotic party for the 2028 general elections? Where there Asambisa ni yebisa. Yebisa. Wow. Oh, SARFO so that picture ben was said about 2 years. Father that to so SARFO that picture way na picture back no the two sources ya some almost fugu because me who say as a SARFO am some Thanksgiving they be as a SARFO about me SARFO because picture the two sources ya no now say can enim no na said dan ye baba me no smile and the question we are asking now it was SOMPA 106.5 FM in Accra and they say Kennedy any Dr. Mahmoud Baumia when I also say delegates no abeto aba monchire mo adwen social media for monchire mo adwen muko Facebook SOMPA 106.5 FM for vote to ho guys your vote will be counted this afternoon one SARFO one say nipa dia ya de no body chika kra one say na we city right na ne ho aba ne so I can't smile. Hey, Fekwa, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Alaji, Ena Kennedy Akumprako, Japan. Hey, on me and you social space. Dear Bisase, come to the 1st of January 2026. Delegates, you know, some personalities me do. One also say. Delegates no ebe to ababa no ye dey asabisa ni ye bisa ye dey asabisa ni ye bisa SOMPA for ye dey ye bisa e tu ko Facebook a SOMPA 106.5 yeah ko Facebook say yeah we dey ko Facebook na yen count to vote ni say yen count me ma to SOMPA 106.5 e wo Facebook the first 20 people ebe ba o menya che ye be count no menya che dey the be ma to who want you to vote now? Who the heat baby crave? The way heat baby. Who the heat baby crave? But I ask him beside the Ebisa. Now someone Ebisa. The born in this. Yeah, the bomb the Ebisa sem. Yeah, the encourage. The Ebisa sem. But what him say? Ochina, I hear the new patriotic party. I want more party office. You know, I idea. One more because sign a peace partner. Yeah. Peace partner. One more sign it. One more equaconum asumdwe bois. That's right. What is moi? Bois. What is it? Cochrane in I am this show, man. And you know, the new patriotic parties, I don't know if it's going to be at their headquarters and on my sign it, party where me, I don't know. And you candidates in Eddie and Sakwa or Shakrat, and no one cheat for say, oh, I grew a year baby D, and I can't see a year baby C, Yamia Duma 31st. Say candidate A, winner, Obia, no. Candidate B, a winner, Obia, and you know, ye Bisase parties, you know, and a candidates, you know, a bit more because Mate a year. Candidates need be a cheater for air casse. As someone a Kennedy, a cafe, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Hono. So one patchoa and idea peace party. On the press release, crab. I'm a problem. Let's see if I have it here. Oh, I have me patcho. Let me read it right here. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia for President 2028.
That's right.
Reference 200-126-DMB-2026. And this one is for immediate release, January 20th, 2026. Kennedy Japan's personal insults on His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia are baseless, uninformed, and unwarranted. The Bawumia camp has noted with great concern a recent video message by Honorable Kennedy Japan, a fellow contender in the upcoming NPP presidential primaries. In the video, Honorable Japan is seen falsely accusing His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia of making remarks regarding the health status of Mr. Albert Edubuahin and a so-called decision not to participate in the 1996 NPP primaries. Furthermore, Honorable Kennedy Japan unfairly branded Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as a liar who is unfit for leadership. For absolute clarity, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia never made the statements that have been attributed to him. We asked Honorable Kennedy Japan to produce the video or audio evidence without further delay if he stands by his baseless attack. In our political discourse, accuracy matters. Words also matter. Wrongful attributions have the potential to unnecessarily mislead the public and inflame tensions within our party. We urge Honorable Japan to urgently apologize to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia for the false statement he has made about him. Dr. Bawumia believes that as leaders, we must always state our views devoid of tantrums and personal insults whilst maintaining truthfulness, decorum, and restraint at all times. Nana Akomia, Chairman, Campaign Communications. And Patrick.
Edemu clear. Omo parents apology.
I was apology.
I'm saying some no keka with video no no.
And some now can say aye Bawumia na kan ye and chisa.
And now class here Fred Chama won't me classify so ono the kan and yet Dr. Bawumia na kan. And
but I'm say ade we no akomo ho pa. Because there can so be a chantro. I know what then you
say ebe come home because of the time now.
Yeah.
One say
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is a liar.
Ente bia no mo koto aba no.
Yeah.
Enti say wo den sem bi sa ba say obi your trofo a. Na say I say o ya kekansem. Enti na mo demand apology.
They hard dream pa.
Enti na mo demand apology.
They are demanding apology.
Na Prof Mr. Mbisao when honorable can apologize here BBC ana.
I don't know. Let me see if this is the thing. Let me see if this.
Who wants people to vote for him will look eyeball to eyeball and lie. He's a big liar. Men na catch that money. We're a liar. So to me, Coach said, "Na Edubuahin yare." Wow. The message Edubuahin was contested by Kufuor. And Kufuor BT, you know. And the bayer, Monko checking history. The mama met to two new men, second chance. Many are told me, I am more popular than him in this country. I'm telling you today, me am more popular than him. Who knows him? The only people, those who know him as a liar. And he continues to lie. That is why we lost. When to me anka economy who wants them be a digital, am I lose you? And you people that I'm talking to know why you didn't vote for him, because of the tribal conflict. The tribal conflict. And we lost the 5 northern regions. And his lie said, oh no, when you have the highest vote. Kufuor had 20 seats, parliamentary seats, and now what 10? How can you say when you have the highest vote? Mesrem. A trona papa ni deep for power no dey. Mudi agro ko ye mistakes se munya. Ye be say atena opposition. Ko Ghana ni di antrust no. Omo say tronko na wodi. A tro wodu Ashanti region. Why so desperate he say a tronko na every day wodi. All
right, but also what? Okay. Mami kwa mando sisi anami Honorable Boama Nyako ending komo is a member of the New Patriotic Party Peace Committee na yene ending komo anyway. Honorable Wadaroma yama kwa baba for God and country so I was SOMPA 106.5 FM Awakra. Be ma to ye ho ye GDP say musumo ho ye. Yo Evato asa wo kasa na maintain papa baby ogina na ka opposition hu ye kakra ma me a ka be me de pa. Hello honorable. Okay, let's see. Evato. Let's see if hello honorable. But what me kasa say?
But what you papa.
Honorable, what but what me kan?
What you menka?
Say me tonka pa. Ochire yenye ne tie say e wo MPP mu no yenyina anim de asie in the next week and a half where yenim say MPP no agina akono a ompese mu yi wo mu kandini a obedi party na nim ehim franka ma party no in the 2028 general elections. Sabrei enkomo ababeto ho na say all the candidates ebaka ko hiem na wo mo de wo nsa hye asumdwe krata ase na ye bisa se enhyehyɛ no san na kwakosi
yo me the city odika ninja it's na ninja efia constituency for na western region finia na we chief o no kwa nyame ya adoma musa ya aka hunsem ochina stakeholders meeting, that is Presidential Elections Committee. The Fred in 2021 January. No, we will share assumption Koyana Kabum and Awaba or Dama MP Amanyukuno. Now, as part of stakeholder conversation, I am aspirant sitting in Abayama. You invite the Ghana Police Service, however, sure Ghana Funina of the security of the electors. The former president, been due for Kwana Wafada, what they can move back. So, be doing another will be people who about to also invite one. Council, I want to work their coaching or assume some so. What they want to work at the about na woni di community ama on ko ada on food waba in the council of elders so nya inkita wudi ye brief one about what is going on. We also have to serve from the former planning to far everything is in place for a very good stakeholder engagement. So that will lead to the signing hopefully of the peace party by all the presidential aspirants.
And so far no minimum a committee member. Now we are committee member. All aspirants are just to say, "What more do we say about Bashasiana?"
Oh, so we now we are in Yokufu. We are in Peninsula. The party anymore. We need about the aircraft. The crew will be doing. Now today in Asia, Brunei, Ghana for the MPP, we are united than ever to win power in 2028. If you obedience will be a home na ye no woni din komo e na ho nyina wo the day wo be chucha one campaign do no abebu na wa de mujuma nti me do ka te bibia da na akwema ho nyina obeba ne ya da be di de mujuma no
na if I talk maybe say when you know that the kind say mo MPP amanyokuo no mo be call a presidential primaries na mo be call de mo nsa kwakọ hye asumdwe krata ase ana we ni de edikan ana
oh onye no dikan number 2023 about the cross so nya akwenya ma impanyinfo no wo be boom wo ka boom wo ka de wo go to sign this memorandum of understanding je that dikan
now this memorandum of understanding here wo mo ediom nsa e ba ba hye ase memorandum mu niema banks ana bebebem.
Oh, my Andrew on the Mona, to find a day. Yaja in the process that the elections will be quite torturing. Then another said, don't see what about you to your better be a boom, you the Korean and Kabum Yadama MPP. So that is the general situation that we will be there. Details of it, I really did share. You go to Gamu every single way.
A memorandum of understanding here on the sign of a bear in share Ediama, a candidate beer.
Oh, sir, yeah, me, the paper, my issue. In Senator, in a YouTube, the woman, and the CBN, MPP, I mean, you couldn't have today. Why I can say, we keep bonus in the Senator, it's done either old. Commitment to the court of the Patriotic Party, and that is enough for every presidential aspirant to live according to
New Patriotic Party. I want to find out, sir. I can see a Mubesino, Yamia Dumon the 31st. Who say after that I can see you know in some event message in the Sentina, more committee, all the aspirants to signing this memorandum of understanding.
Maybe no one will be seen. Now, I had to have most again. In 1992, you have to presidential leadership in 2024. We don't see any fear of unity or anything. It's the next part of the building consensus and making sure that I think the other one mass the baby to be large. It's only part of building consensus, unity, and oneness as we go into the election. I don't have any fear of contradiction. So far, I believe that all aspirant committee members of NP and they will seek to protect the integrity of the party.
And he says, 1 year again, say, BBC after a year, ABOTCHIE Ntina mo signing a peace party na entresa entesa.
Until them and the or yeah, and I try and process. Almost I think I'm a year in a in common. On the other, where are you going to find the former president, the aspirants, the council of elders, the peace council, the police service, all of us coming together out preaching towards the elections? So it is not all about the peace council. It is also about briefing and sharing ideas of how you can manage the process to a successful end.
All right, and you know, a word to the aspirants were SOMPA 106.5 FM because information we are gathering it is a bit more you say
1 minute remaining.
Information we are gathering it is a bit more you say enya dia wo mo ebe sign peace part no that is some information we are gathering from some sources. Na we say we dey futu edema omo.
Oh, man, I can say appearance on the year or soon now. Also, now we'll be a queen out to you be the
sure.
Yeah, about any individual about the party. It will be our party to be also said that they can say not a mutin now, or yeah, that other Buama party, no, why you can say, yeah, you couldn't. It is all your aspirants, all your one account, all your one and representatives will reach out. But they are also soon could be made symbol.
Right. All right. And the honorable man now I say passing the view, my hokama, Edin Komo. We want to say a big thank you for what you have just said to candidates in Nigeria. Maminko so na minka o say dwumadi ye when you meku a woma so asene a forgotten country ye de ebremwo Electroland Ghana Limited, the home of quality electronics. E ho na kwa obenya electronics a papa to electronics a ne boofo electronics a woto a ebecheri ye ama wo electronics a woto a emfa hawo emrew ni senti no mekamfo Electroland Ghana Limited e de ama wo e ho na kwa obenya TV, ubenya air condition, ubenya fridges, ubenya washing machine, kettle, rice cookers, blenders, other microwave ovens. Remember the name. When it comes to electronics, the quality, Papa Pana Obenyaro, Electroland Ghana Limited. And it just something that's a chadia, a biom kai, biose, uko na ko digwa ho a, you 15% discount. Kai say, ubo ho mecha kwan e wo Techman. Ewo main Kumasi Road. One more Kasi Junction. Ewo Kumasi. Na udu Kumasi wa down to nichre a Tech Junction. Ebusia a idea behu Electroland Ghana Limited. Ewo nkran ha bomodin na hwehwe obechi akwan ewo Adenta Barrier. Dansuman Runabout. Industrial area Fakwa. Any Malcolm Plus no edi hwe ni mo. Wo Sunyani, wo Mankesim, wo Cape Coast, wo Takrade and Tamale. Kai say Electroland Ghana Limited wo obetima from 0245 94 94 95 0245 94 94 95 ebiom ye wa boafo ni bi na I know say as and when a program no cost so me don wedi e dia kire live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM na Kai say ye na boafo aka no ye was Jaws bread and pastries. Say woman of the Jaws Kinky Abedjaman so. Sasana Tontina 74 T74 Dudu Cassia would Jaman Swam Patrol a boni pediano for Yadi home. If I told Yaren Quancro, they did one Tontina 74 T74 Yaria a draw is ropa a dudowi Tontina 74 Ebeka was a mama. Sasana RSYD no Vigi Studios. Almost in the way, almost saw Yasina. Forgotten country, yet the bread at here for live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Now, Mamim Bissau, Patrick.
Prof.
Now, that's why I'm busy with you, they know.
I'm not checking your member internet in the and somebody calls you how they are no.
What's your honorable?
Honorable Casa, peace part in the who here. And your best dressed candidate in India and on country motive for. For.
Also, beside the question, be say, almost to say, Ebia Basabasa, a baby sitting on Says, Emma Patty the Queen, Emma Patty penny for Bishia.
That's right.
Did you
that's right.
Now, but what would you know? Why didn't you say?
Internet who here? Monco San Mayan. Now, infant to any sana ho. Enti BBS ya ebetumi akofa paper no achiro se sebio odon saba share we yase enti ne woni wachita afo ne we na moye no enkoyie enti na be se o ka be chiro na prof na mebusa se honorable Ken ne anteregi ne gusu ho ana omotwam
Dr. Paul Grave wachi dankwa no say MK bisa
anti-Reagan
you question for Subekasa
na musa se gusu ho na say e bia se si ade omaba to a consensus say okay
but unim say asama chairman won to me e kan ye no
e nrade no
say na Professor Dubuahen na oyare no ba me so ma ye hwehwemu kakra o one say e won 1992 primaries no mo call ye Professor Dubuahen and a winning with 56.60%.
Okay.
Our presidential primaries then. But in 1996, Professor Dubuahen did contest John Ejekun Kufuor in 1996 NPP presidential primaries. So what did Eyewun to me say? Because you didn't have okay say. Na Professor Dubuahen dan no o yare
no yare
mo mo de no ko amanone for ayare hwe ti party mpanyifo adowo ho dan no eno mo nyina nko hia na mo si o se ye man mpanyinkufo ena one ne e contest dia ene ye nyina ye nti ase ne ma ne
nko
ena ken so be kan se there be entesa na Professor Dubuahen no
yare
but the checks are me my no dear. Yes, Professor Albert Edubuahen did contest against John Ejekun Kufuor in 1996.
And tonight is a near can.
But Ken Susu was a samono a chairman to me but chairman to me a casamano. Na oka on behalf of Dr. Mahmoud.
Yeah.
I believe, sir, that was the reason why Ken the attack no at the command but not a year chairman
to me. I bet me I sir.
I bet me I sir.
Bet me I sir. Bet me I sir. Yeah, the new hobby 92 ni 96 ni new hobby. Near Susa.
Oh, now, sir.
Oh, Namisa.
Oh, Satan number 92, 96.
96.
I just say number races form.
No races form.
No. I tell me I'm Jim. I said 92 me to Abba.
One year now, one
year. Oh, but I'm a baby guest now.
Obi atiemu. One year now, one year. Sentina, girls,
Debbie was a me school them. Aye, now wouldn't year me the year O level from 5. Oh, Namiswa. Namiswa. I have bizarre. I PNC for presidential candidate Bernard Mona. So now I'm a junior or Laura secondary school.
Oh, okay.
Now I'm a junior. Aye.
On what fair?
Debbie, oh,
tuntum so that's
oh. Where my baby girls ya have
SARFO 3.
Oh, yeah. All this is why ye?
When you from?
Minkas when you be.
Miss
why ye?
Why ye?
Oh, this guy some here.
This guy somewhere.
Oh, now so he na waji man wakosi.
Na me gas when you friends na no be onya broken heart. And
me papa edi ni birthday. Me papa edi ni birthday. Na me papa edi na wodai. Ubehu me papa kon. So the mfonyi no eto a ubehu me papa kon. Enne eye na woda. Professor Christopher Ekunfi Amayao.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Me papa no. Today it's his birthday.
Wow.
And of course, I want to say special birthday to Professor Christopher Amayao Ekunfi. Happy 81st Ekunfi Amayao. Today, I honor a life of service, leadership, and sacrifice. Even in this challenging season, your strength and dignity remain inspiring. I wish you peace, good health, and God's guidance. And I pray that truth and justice would prevail. Wishing you a meaningful birthday. Happy birthday, Professor Christopher Amayao Ekunfi. So wherever you are, Daddy, I love you. I cherish you. Mwah. Celebrate the day. 81 years. Daddy, enjoy. Celebrate. Daddy, enjoy. Celebrate. Okay. And to Patrick, I'm in your way.
Prof. And now, as a good side, Professor Nyamishirano, Omani in Fieni Bimquenim. Now, because Professor Christian Ekunfi, Ghana, how be a nimno. Obianim, ye Susan started it in the Dino. And Nyamishirano. Nyamema nimfie enkɔ n'anim.
Sure.
Na wisdom and media man.
Wisdom and media man no.
On impact.
Oh yeah.
And sana sebio.
Papa, he's a selfless man.
Yeah. Now, Jesus son started in the ding.
But see, so what do we need your friend is a UCC. Yeah, he became a chancellor, the vice chancellor of University of and then he became the Director General for Ghana Education Service.
That's right.
It was at the Ministry of Education. It's been at the ports and harbors. Wow. And again, Ghana Infrastructure for Fund. What you say? Procurement Authority. Also, wow. So he has depth of knowledge. Open and only needing come out and say yes.
He speaks wisdom.
Yeah, he speaks wisdom. Maninko man says ya na me Chairman Kwesi Poku ending kobo. Chairman Kwesi Poku da but what to say? Oh, na debut. Na say me big bisi Chairman who to say. We so be catch him say Greater Accra and why dey here. Ye him say we campaign coordinator for Kennedy Japan and Greater Accra and you are telling me say Greater Accra and why there. Then am I why there?
Oh, Ninia. Yeah, I'm baby am Greater Accra near the sea. You see where the
Greater Accra.
Japan. You see, and is a rapid Cantamantu. It is in Bukovska, it is in Choco Market,
Debut. Nyabotre, baby, I would see, you know. One moment delegates. Omunya delegate, but I'm to see how Kiki, Chonko, Makwa, Omunya delegates.
Now you're going to stage a signal and a warning to the delegates to go and do the needful.
Hey, Mokojina, yes, if you are.
Yeah, but I'm very well. Here we are, partner. Your mama, I don't go on getting any separate. I'm going to get any digitalization. So now you go back.
Basana, Sisifiana, Sana also said you.
The silent majority was sending a certain warning and signal to us. I'm not Kennedy. A good ideas.
Hey, Chabakwe, so far, no Greater Accra, no campaign letter saying we are sure, sir, delegates are our Greater Accra, no one more ever to abandon the Amar Kennedy, and for that matter, you have been on the ground. You are the campaign coordinator. Greater Accra, no, the number of delegates on the Tuabano, what would you are saying?
Okay, Greater Accra has the biggest delegate, 41,000 plus, followed by something which is 38,000 plus. But then there was the previous election. Kennedy lost by 1,680 votes.
All right.
You have everybody who matters in Greater Accra following years. Only 3 chairmen showed face. Myself, Chairman Asante, and Obiano, the house. If this is something to go by, now I can speak on authority. I will be 15 and 20 chairmen who can show face for him for Kennedy or any time. 14 to show face, 6 so I am who was any number. CEOs cannot get that down. The king, the mother of the region, the financier, the philanthropist, I mean, I thought she was on their side. That's what we're now, and then I know. Can you tell me so? That will not make any impact. How does it not be almost the turn up to because of the impact and the presence, you know, changing the narrative. Now, so for me, I don't see why Greater Accra will not fall. Okay, maybe
now also Obin number Bia now Obia Cote 10 or Park with no wine, and he no fire now a man for 10 the Adiamono.
You know what? Politics, a very dear occupational hazard. You are going to tell me you are going to tell me, but you and I can bear witnesses. If I'm in a cover, you can hear me, I go through your day. I notice on the social media what is looking. You are going to you also check. Maybe I'm not going to and the other thing, my power is always my Africa, and what is that?
Really? All right, video be about Bonting, na video do ba Bonting no, yen ye video no enewi. Na video no emun sam no the mo candidate Kennedy Japan na o ka say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia etwantro enam nsam bia na wo mu edi ho enkomo na san komo no beto dwaro enro aye frɛ chairman wuntumi wa ha wo say asam na Ken ka say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na ka ye ente saa wono na ka asam no na chairman me bisa wo say den na Ken the attacks call Dr. Mahmoud Baumia so no friend say oyo bia na otwantro.
You see, you put to Adriana in proper context. Me, Adriana here na the fight, the Boku straight through. But yeah, Brian still on no plan away to remove all the two. I can tell an authority there. Now, Papa Kennedy 3 days ago, I sent for those who call the Boku straight. Over Roman national security. A man signal said, the government go to room.
Yeah.
Now, for your law-abiding citizens, don't remove illegally. So what do? We decided to organize a Zoom conference meeting with the 5 conferences. In the year, Papa no Zoom meeting, so okay, you know, say issue and government say we for our own you know, we are going now MP problem no come about that. And you know, and of citing example of everyone in German. And a question that Obi Musa from the other end, a Zoom. So you didn't hear the other end saying that. You know what Kennedy question? Always have to say. I'm not going to say. The person mentioned specifically is that and see. Yeah, ma be uncle one time. I do why I'm an uncle one time because on medical grounds. And I can't see and you know quick. So he was bantering the people, the person on the other side. So and you know quick. That's about Yakasa and so or did so. In any case, that's me on my mind. Is it the first I wanted to react on the Montreal show? Is it the first I wanted? And I did because it's coming from Kennedy.
But coming from somebody like Kennedy, Japan gives some gravity or weight to the statement.
No, you see, the argument is this.
Yeah.
I have heard over and over. We are Kada. I didn't get your Akada. Your mama Akada. I have a video I can send to you in relation to how come. But Bank of Ghana, no, before the file, you before the file. Who would that video? Who will be another? Who will be?
Kwabra Japan, engineer Kwabra Japan.
Kwabra Japan, or see, MPP, the Bank of Ghana, the deputy governor, and you know, before the file, you must. And I could go by and I could go by. That's
what I say, and you know, I know you're more politer than the Kenny, you know.
You see, Ghana, yeah, but because of we are doing the same old things and what a new answer. Let's change the narrative. Let's say things the way they are. I didn't think that growing open up, you are trying. It's still not there. I mean, let our king be king. We are saying that and our customers are a different matter. You come open and apologize. But now you summon his choice of words. You are defining what word is used. Anybody who is a liar, who can excuse me, he says, what's the problem? Is it because it's coming from Kennedy?
But yes, it's because it's coming from Kennedy. Kennedy, a competitor, our election, just about 9 or 10 days away. And for him to come out like this, media, me
what's your Brian? The second phase of turn off. What's your Brian?
Then Brian I can.
And the one I was about to number 2. And you know, it's not about the data is not supporting the more. I don't just a job. And when you get them out to be simply enough, them out to be platform of Japan and about your platform. But we are sitting down there. Who was the beneficiary that want to become? I don't know. Of 8 payments, I have a video I can send to you. Also, recreated the same thing. It's not lying to the people. Like you let the people know that it means that about now, and you have to use of the scapegoat, which is not correct, which is not true. Maybe being just as another, but we are of 8 payments that will come. So why would somebody say the beneficiary of the deal on the platform? A platform
Chairman, radio be better. But of free radio don't change because am I feedback?
And I won't be on the platform. About your platform.
Until the Sentinel, Kennedy, can't say about me, I say, because you guys had
I am telling you what happened. I am saying he was in the Zoom meeting, and then question time, somebody questioned and mentioned Baumia to have said that. And then Kennedy said he has said that he's a liar, it's not true. That is how it happened. Kennedy didn't just go and find the camera and wanted to attack Baumia. No. Zoom meeting, question time, I was in the hall. Then the other person, the other side was saying that this issue of saying that Papa can Kennedy, I'm saying, I'm not saying, Papa can say he's a liar. That's what I mean. No.
Chairman, Gina Line also netie. I want you to take a lesson to Ken fast so
I am telling you, I was in the
so if you were there, we now have the audio recording and then the video recording. I just want you to stay on the line and take a lesson again.
Who wants people to vote for him will look eyeball to eyeball and lie. He's a big liar. Men na makachira bonde. We a liar. So Timiko General said na edubu ahin yare. Wow. Timesram edubu ahin was contested by Kufuor. and I could for BT, you know. And the year, Monko checking history. Mama to 2 new men second chance. Many are told me. I am more popular than him in this country. I'm telling you today, me am more popular than him. Who knows him? The only people, those who know him as a liar. And he continues to lie. That is why we lost. One to me economy who wants them be a digital. Am I lose? And you people that I'm talking to know why you didn't vote for him, because of the tribal conflict. The tribal conflict. And we lost the 5 northern regions. And he's lying.
All right, Chairman, Kwesi I say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I say Nyabotre. I say he's a big liar.
Mm-hmm.
A big liar.
Yes, you see, what necessitated this reaction? Okay, all your presentation, who tape now, I can undergo. And then the voice echoes so. It was when the person on the other side was insisting that Obi Enko one thing that. Also, he raised his voice and said, your Bawumia is a big lie. He said that. So, and yeah, it was not part of his delivery. No, it was a reaction to what somebody had said. So, there's a video of the other side. Zoom on the camera. So, no, questions and on the Zoom has not come. Based on what the person said, then he went responding. And for me, if it is the tone you are talking about, but whatever he was saying, now you have to question as someone who can enter. So for me, I don't see anything.
Say no, Nana Komia had a statement about on behalf of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia asking your candidate, Kennedy Japan, say Ombra number Pacho. Krata mi GDP se mwehu. Se munye hu ya me ka kire. Se no. Se na mu ya no. Ken ne ba be Pacho ana.
Double stand hypocrisy. If you nima yen penny for the party ya na so otikomo na. Chairman Sabosmu. So akokra vice president. Aleki
me Chairman Kwesi Boku. Me Pacho. Sa akokra vice president de. Sa kasan pass Ifrim.
You know what you're supposed to do. You what about your community? MPP, your benefit, yeah, or Grano, I think about Ovenia to grab it. Okay, Ovenia to grab it. And in summer, some more can just check it in the all time they want the own. Ovia, we have a go home. Yes, as a matter, okay, apology for what? Say the Kennedy can and you know, a liar, and I will be able to put 2 or 3 videos of who to be a German away platform and who to be national. They must stop with Bawumia, also who was the beneficiary. And Trump to be a DHL delegate, so who was going to be the beneficiary? I mean, who was going to be the beneficiary?
I had Ashanti regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party.
And
Nyabotre.
Who was going to be the beneficiary?
Nyabotre. And no, I need in come over show you so. Now, was there some now a candidate to the car, Kennedy, a car, you know. Now, and Kayentino, one patcho. Say, no, to me say one patcho. Nana Komia say, I was so patcho. Ken, or the patcho, and that's on patcho.
We moved to now just to say, I don't know one. On all the time before job, but Kennedy, I want to say, we go a guy. In any case, this is our senior. I'm when Bawumia had a is a yes. Transform no Johnson, you would be a fair meeting. And Bawumia a friend, and I can't say who would you have some to walk and I want to walk. And I want myself. And it's a summer a year. Sally for America and company and I get it on another. We don't sorry for
you know, a chopper no Mukambro move pan a mompa can be patcho and a son patcho.
As I'm in 10 days, we are just leaving for victory. Forget the
all right. Mamina was in the way, say, Oma Hokama, you didn't come, Yami Shroud. That you say, Yabishi answer and Makoto Abaro. I was for a year chairman Kwesi Puku, a year Greater Accra. Regional campaign coordinator notice menene din komo na me kwa mano so hello na mene Nana Komia edi enkomo Nana Komia oba eye Bawumia camp na wono na oye in charge of or chairman for the campaign communications. Na mame Manakwaba. Na nakwaba wadaroma ye Manakwaba ba SOMPA 106.5 FM wakra. Na wapo mute saying?
Thank you so much.
Yes, asuma official pa. Yo, yeah, that's it. That's say who created be amudi ababonten concerning a year in someone Ken Ekafa mu candidate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho say womra embe patcho that ye the other side needing come but they feel say one more some no kind no no credit trying to justify it. Now Ekobado sir going forward what would be the way forward for your candidate?
That's a man, two questions.
Someone may be saying, say, some way about to abonting a year can was some second. I can say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a big liar on an issue. Be a year chairman won to me a can, you know. Why issue statement? And I'm asking, sir, statement now a battle. Has it gotten any attention from the camp of a year Kennedy, a Japan?
Oh, yeah, Kano. Simple. Kennedy, a Japan. We try and throw up to Bawumia. Simple and straightforward. We try and throw up to the so. Now what you not throw to up Bawumia, say or your trophy, a new BIP agility, my and to about Mano is the Bawumia actually the against. Now, yes, after now they are to Bawumia. I know the original book. Apremo or Trofo or be a GD will be a mere 12 hours. That's a young part. Let us all yeah, then it's there.
All right.
Now the upper child. That's all.
Okay, so and in common with the about 2 abontin, so we try sign on. A commander say one chance sign out. What next?
Oh, I can't say I got a damn upon you do the witch up. And I'll try to throw so. One patch out. To buy any agent. All the panel to buy it. If they were put out throw. Now you're child, daddy, you more now we chat throw. So I thought you find out what you can find out patch out. Oh, my Ghana for anti delegates, no, yeah, so be a cheap. Is that now popular talk and you know, no crab at crab for any. Opinion in Coca will be beer at the afternoon. If I will video, another about the children. And that's all boys, not about the children. And if I turn out now, you cry about the prayer in opinion of cow, the beer, a turn out their children. Now, it's a white counter to this. Now, also training what I can't tell you, but it's or a trophy. My family said, now, we took it to the young fire. The different thing at all yet. There were chance and walk at all. Also, yeah, there's the Ghana body and the behavior.
Yo, now, say, mu campaign or Senate here, Bibiakoye.
When I call you back.
And Timuya,
more country.
There be your background, so say, you won't cry.
And I got more.
I didn't be Ukasawa, I baby.
I am on the top of some
now, before I baby, you know. Yanim say Ochinamugo ko shia ko sign the peace pact no. Na but nyan komo bia amanfo bi e kire say enya dia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because ko de ne sa ko hye asumdwe krata na ase say Ken ankonko pachowa. I don't know. Una we chairman of the campaign communications. What you into?
Obia enka there. Kennedy T. Bawumia and Patrick. Oh, now then, Kennedy election. So they thought what can be get opinion and then acquire which are proud position. And then, opinion more of street. The Jana Kennedy and Pachela. And one who pass about the time. Now, what can trust is not so. Now, to the Pachela. Now that the time is better. Now, other than also. And even the digital, yeah, in your actuality, you know what you thought, or didn't want the actual effect, a certain of time, inquiry people. If you talk about the cancer, yeah, Sana Kamea. What Sana Kamea? And
you said, the Musu was all sign.
Oh, now the now captain to be in any career. Now you tell them now need not so. So what is that?
Yeah, but we now almost say a year chairman won't to be a car seminal. Now the beneficiary of the assembly Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, the Sentino and a directly, Ken a directly, a response to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
That can be tape go tape.
Me patch me tape no.
Or won't to me.
One bow won't to me ding.
Or take Baumia and them. And it's Baumia and trophy. Of Fred Baumia Choco 8 times.
Wow.
I'm going to meeting. Disaster Noble can help you. Omunjaka.
And the defense in a weak defense.
But I think
defense now, one more day, Bano, a weak defense.
And your defense, what the Baumia captain? A Baumia captain. The bachelor, they won't be in a kind, I won't meet about the Baumia. Is there any Bania the captain? Now wait,
Actually, from what you said, we are hopeful some will win elections. Can you give us a margin in terms of percentage?
Oh, we have the last election. Any panel
Sure.
And you have 62%. This time the thought to captain. The other point, if they are anything between 55 and 70%.
55 and 70%. Very well. We just want to say a big thank you for joining us. And then, but yesterday we had one Dr. Dria here, and what the Poos be by putting Aya Kennedy, Japan ahead with 52%. So Poos no, Aya Mohuana. Media minimum say, or a researcher, or a economist, and I mean, it's an minimum no far.
I'll check in the background.
Okay, let's
spend the background of the people.
Sure.
Do they ever post to both Papa Nankasa?
Ha 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 ha. But you know his background. The background here, Denga.
Oh, what do you have WhatsApp?
All right, me say you best send WhatsApp to what they are sending so that we can get deeper into it right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Now, it's you know asamba na okay chato.
Oh, yeah. NP before I start to attend. Mondrin of party level, Mondrin of Montana, and then top. Support to Baumia, support to more Baumia, then conquer time or no support to OPP, no support to Kennedy. In the area, the couple, Naya Kumama Party, Jasu J, and Yakumapa, and I have a cocoa. The corner cocoa, but our Nakata waiting in Frankie, they call yet the year of polling station one, party now good party, any matter. To be a back on and then go to. To be the transporter, it is a one car. To be able to wait up to transport to now to control back. Now, while GTC, that they are age. And you met that boy, the party. Now, we are that who carry the pay about now, sweet. To do about me or the Mukwa. Oceano, a boy. And I'm a believer friendly experience. Open your be answered. By your running mate, in shame or trick. By your vice president, in shame or trick. By your vice president, in shame tape on the home, baby, our Apollo BBI and Pata, Apokan BBI and Pata. Now the Ghana pick up a 22 and Pata. The woman said, or one Brazil, or what Shima, and Nayu. In Julia, Mubua, Yanni, vice president, in shame of trick. And he paid me, I'll be any more about them. And they are torn down. And he told Ubia at the Mufu, Ubid couldn't be a bell party. Now, Bauya.
Nana Kobia, you better say that next week. You better invite you so baby Fiana, you know, wedding Koboya 1-on-1. Whatever, you were a dummy, you were dummy. Oh, there be a home. Nana, there be do Achimota Mola. No, we do it. I don't know. You bring Achimota more.
Trot Nana
Kobia. Trot can't be a baha. And you know, Udu Achimota Mola, and why? You, Yamin Shroud, pass on my you know, Dinkobo. I was for Nana Combia, a chairman campaign communications, and I'll tell some no Edin Command Patu.
Empire, yeah, boy, at Tihane say, MPP4, on Masum Jemra, come 31st January. Yeah, no. Yempe, Watimi Wakame, Mentiasia, Bibiasa. And yes, Rom, a tita for them pennyphone in an. Ene omo can be a dimu ewo MPP mu yes rom omo hwe na omo emfa bibia nto ye se na be ya 31st me bia be ko jojo ayente boni bia asumdwe ne yepe say at the end of the day we will choose a candidate for the NPP and that is all
sir say at the end of the day we will choose one wine
say Ghana for
debi wu ne wine
yeah Ghana for
debi wu say we
I'm talking about
me Debbie That can say the delegates.
No.
The delegates.
No, I am. Prof.
Debbie, who choose words? We will.
I am talking.
I was after a cobra campus.
Debbie, my mini me one uncle. Oh, yeah, cobra. I have no go for attacking me.
Teaching man of way. Electroland abeja. Near the Munamuni, I'm a punning in Answabo. Wait, Thursday, 10th April 2025. Ryan showroom for front and Wukumasi teaching man Quanaso.
Yeni Roma, sorry, Dino. And I said backsword Nadia Nimshe.
Property Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any of my papa can't win now. Now, when baby, it can fall back. Baku 50, ebenya 15% discount. Any achedie, it's a rabbit can who now say now.
Want to meet Shenya Oba, any betchemo, and not your bed action. Now so. Ubit me up one manena pomodin free ni mofrasi. Jamvita ye de milk pap pebi. Ninu chuvi aye ye nkwada ediania. Eye de na ahodia e womu no bua mofra pomodin. Anyo impeni foswini chopa. Mawobano apomodin free ni mofrasi. Jamvita gumo do bepre. Jamvita, a delicious way to grow. FDA aji ejedi yunkratoyatu.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu. Wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magye wo Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu je international awards ahodo, wo mu je local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a ji 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha baby a wo mu ho. Enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill roundabout. Se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so. Wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so. Eho na wo behu ye. Fre 0540-311-311 0540-311-311. There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Tontonte. Yan no sani efadwen. Ne efadwen ampa. Say na nim say brebi beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ye simple. T74 abeye dru. Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene esina nanom dodo so. Say de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no sa na tontina 74 ana T74 T74 ebo nipadua no ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abre bia ne ho dendenden tonti na 74 yi nso yaye no se nsuo kokrowa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankafi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 se mennom tonti na 74 menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ni apomuden ko a wokɔ pharmacy ana ba bia to no bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 05016289931 and 0246073498 FDA agi adwadie nkrato yi atom
Ebushafo because what Adama say mudaso tie for God and country. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM, and then wherever you are home. Remember, this is where Ghana listens to. This is where Ghana speaks, and of course, one more Martha in this country. The VIPs, the VVIPs, and of course, if you want to be the first to hear, the first to know, remember, this is where you'd have to listen to. It's SOMPA 106.5 FM. Patrick.
Prof. Yaba. Yaba de niaba. Na na me ka say.
Me mbisa wasam. Trust. Me mbisa wasam.
Enti fancy wa.
Men kai obia.
Enkofo tag you be tag you.
Debi o that what tag debi. Debi obi entimi tag you. Wano na pae.
Debi say na me tirim.
Debi. Asem no wuchirim bebre na ekọ. Pato wuchirim bebre a.
Na ekọ. Etiema etifo na
Debi jai. Wo adwuma na wo ye na wano koka say we. Pato, we are interested. We are brutal. We are strategic. We are strategic. The strategic Pato.
Say that I'm doing it.
That made me a strategic.
Sir. Now you're now to drink a sabaquem. Me. She interview and Nakumia yes. Open so ya train some big room. Oh, sir. And Nakumia
was a branch Papa no tune. I'm feeling
Nanakumia so smart.
Oh, sure. Or a great communicator. Yeah, or a great communicator.
Who's out to drink a sabaquem, not to train some mamba. And you know,
also,
and go for your interview. I don't through.
Oh, sir.
I'm no interviewer.
Omuni me interview. Adendra.
I no musuru.
Adendra.
Information baby a shibia no person chamber. And almost ya no person omo brush so kakra. And I tea for so person mote. I know. Also mribone Dr. Palgrave.
Yeah.
Interview be had. And we say now to train Semba, but also yes smart.
Oh yes smart. I get your can say
oh show TVs.
You
Yeah, the information.
You would have to elicit information. So what I say.
But we are there.
Oh, but also we are there. But that's some research people about your mommy.
Yeah,
your producer social corner.
Extraordinary.
Me who produce a beer organ how bit
me dear.
Me the menye who be da.
Me who be. Wo de bodini keke. Bodini keke. Menim say so search engine bi o ho a. O de hwehwe numbers no. I think that be say you hwehwe.
Right. Okay, mami kwa ma so but when you bright where abochi ne SOMPA. That is a list. I
said yes,
oh, now listen. Listen, Benkasa. Now, Arise Ghana, mo demonstration amo here. American embassy, no. This is day 2 of it. No, Kriana.
Day 2, yes.
Day 2. Now, matter say mo di cropot ne empane mosquito net ne niam akosi ho a mo di your friend said ye kire no no kre.
Enu ye nri ho. And then intensify at a point. I be da ho. Ama dia chin, ama ekiki esi be jari now. But enyan no.
Enyan no.
That is
say I was saying to me make sure a buying America a buying. So Kaya Donald Trump no yet not only former president of America. Prosecute the kids say or better maintain before the laws of America. Now the Democrats deny a practice. Put me my customer some memory. Now my yet me pay. Daddy, or man who some no. I was so soon on the brim. Now soon or man on the brim when the area and Kuntabova and Kuntabova avail yourself before the Kuntabo committee, which is the court. Now, what did they want? Court now. What would you? So far, not court now, I'm paying. Shelly, then if I am in your personal.
Munini ni asamba ya personal.
It's not personal.
Debio, na sa mukasa muni kenefurata eni asemwa eye personal. Me share eye nsembia microphone bi ekeka se kenefurata eye stubborn or ye pig-headed or ye stiff-necked or ye very canny or ye craftier. Where your personal attacks on him?
I am the Subai or more executive. The Subai so said it material. Okay, on a description of the money. What you are saying, when we describe somebody and yet personal, said it, you're better personal, and let's just say, who cry a bit nadia, there's nothing personal. Oh, mine over some, oh, mine, or some now over some, oh, mine. And I yeah, Pusa will say, I dear way out here, and who could the bonus thing? Can you one or four? I was the way I am. And I will cry with me a good part of buying. And I will say, walk back or show who you are. The area is so okay, walk back. Here, pay. Bragana. Now, so at that and running. So, or the more was for who be at. Yea, I write that for. Let me tell you. But so I'm up here. The one what I did. The day woman waiting. I'm on to America.
Now, okay. Okay. Now, listen to what said the whole kind of say. Mubaye de no. 14 days. And I'm see yourself. Mudibe had the day beyond the 14 days. No, then I say.
Oh, 14 days. No. And notification will come up.
Okay.
And then you have another 14 days that you are near. Near Cardia Tumba. You want me one that you, Sika, Akodi, and Opera and Papa. So, Mama, who has done it that?
Debut, unim, listen. This is where I seem to have a problem with you. But I said, what pronouncing guilty before Crass and say, you didn't know what you know, some Libya.
Debbie, and what the official we are, Yano, or Prince, court to the Capitano. So, called be the reality. Yano, money in number, or your crop for Prince there. Court to be declared or your crop front and what part of you.
But in some Namuka cannot be bow. Uka say logical. I don't know, but in some Namuka Canada, what wonderful. Can of Rata, what wonderful. So we are going to see.
Debina, and says, no, catch will be a go before. Nipana, what a crop for Cromuno. Oh, real. Or Prince court back to a real. It's what you want to mean. You don't want to answer Bono. As I don't want to answer Bono. You are not guilty until you are proved guilty or proven guilty. And you are guilty until you are proved guilty.
So, listen to
one side. You are guilty of a crime until who depending on someone guilty.
So, listen what. So, if what you are saying, I justify that. Na ken for eta bagana has see ada or be facing the court na court na say ken nya boni bia, where would you stand?
Ghana a rule of law country.
Sure.
So that the kata can operate funny hundia. Not if you call to the person the court system Supreme Court say can operate funny hundia. Me Ghana ni between na be oba funny wedi or funny hundi so. Na target na funny hundi.
Na say e ba na say na mo boa no for awie.
You're born for 10. And I catch us. The logic is that what is to be a one year, or be a phone, or be a part to Botoma, or the person on your duty because court to not do a duty. That is the logic you are preaching.
And people so I can say, the more you know, as a more selective, sudden tamaklo, and then original court. And no, the assembly, the moon can. I said, you are being selective. Yes.
People say, me, one person. Me dia ye feni me ankata me papa ko ye boni ameka how much less will be ani ni mu no anya me papa wanya me hwe Sedina Tamaku atem me court no I have been one critical voice against Sedina Tamaku SOMPA time wa who said the facts are not accurate obi obeka se Sedina wa court to be a oboa was she not in court she was in court she availed herself. It got to a point that although for her when you're here and a quiet and a wama and a judgment by I can offer that clip. Why are you comparing grapes with mangoes? I don't like to speak to facts. Sedina Tamaku never invaded darkness. She availed herself before the court.
But she was tried in, but listen, she was tried in absentia, Anameboa.
It was never the case, please.
So what was the case?
Never the case.
So tell me, what was the case?
Speak to facts. She availed herself before the court.
Wabrana omu pronounce judgment on her, no? Na organa, ha no koto ana.
That didn't mean she availed herself. She went to court. It got to a point of authority. And he had the need of the court to attend to a medical facility outside. But court. That is the fact.
Okay, so listen, before I you know, your honest assessment, GDP said the more yen, Ebema Kenufuriata, America for the Nabagana.
America for the Nabagana.
Kianiki.
America. A superpower. Okay, Donald Trump or co-opposition. She can be who and he, Donald Trump, he walks into the box of America. And for you, Tanaku Pado can be different to Donald Trump. Why I can't for you that? But
sir, who can say there be Nyabotre? Who can say Akufo-Addo kra ni tipeni Donald Trump? Ghana is a sovereign state. US is a sovereign state.
Ghana is sovereign, you know, in America. You are telling me to be honest. You be honest to yourself and discuss honesty as people are concerned. Is Ghana equal to Ghana? Is Ghana equal to America? Ghana is tipeni America.
Okay, so minim say mo targeti eye pensioners ne woni a wo musika kodi mu wabra na omo ye DDP AP no. I don't know. Say no akwa si sen. Wonya pensioners ni bia ma abaka ho. Bankers na ye liquidate banks na ye liquidate your mo a. Say adwumayefo no bi so adwumagu adwuma say no. Sankrofo do wonye wo mo abaka ho ana.
A lot of people have expressed their joint sympathies, empathies, whatever. Paul said, yeah, you know, but the church, they say,
all right.
Actually, the decision in such a way, say, at every stage, there was to be one.
Okay.
The opposite for brain. Nipa sabi almost so almost for my own band. Ni kwasi adi almost cost best monkey sa. Sabi obina. Ya yesu se wa kofa tefa ya chase la for this can. Enye afre ye dey down opposite for so pa put na wiemu amon ba bre and opposite for bra bre ye ko. Eti e mo mo. Okay. And no signals na e dey pa monte no. And enough. It will get to a point you may intensify.
Okay.
The day you are complete second of Bogota, Obeba, you have not court. You are putting asset.
Okay. And you know, Uber shot. Okay. Uba sure a public and they say there will be peace till the end of your protest because in 2022 mu year Chrome Ayashi demonstration no yen na ni say mo APF mu ba ye wabra mu ne aposi for no nya ayentawan. Are you telling us now sir a protest where am we very very peaceful?
Malinka Central IGP biane seniusi a shop Ghana police service mu. That parent he was just a friend saying a populist IGP.
Dampare.
When you're professional, the Ghana police service and then say no professionalism, and there would have been a clash. Because some of the protesters no, you can see there, for no to fall the free chamber, name for example, one guy. The boy Fuya, or say, and you can operate a Magana, on play a mamia, can operate a haircut, Amanawu. And when he said the boy Fusa can operate a baby, I was there, Banyan in the report. In such instances, the police professionalism, I can feel a best in Kenya Papa. Come on, Obian inquire come about who
but listen, well, you need to come to studio. I was over here. Now you trust me, didn't come.
I'll come anytime.
Why? And now I say passing the view. Yes, you're that's pa. Listen, well, Nana Poku Kusi, leading member Arise Ghana artist, I no didn't come. Maybe we can say, Miami or Fabako pay. What can I say? Offer the minister but what can I say? PSC original, what can I say? And I'm Yanka Sama downfall. I told the beer or shaman him names we shut it. Nazi ye see any Captain Biko, so what can I say? Biko, that is saying. Biko, but also Michael, my boy. Biko, now what to say?
Oh, what on Yanko Pardon?
Good. What team commodity be pa?
Of course.
Now, come on out here, no. Any bites on a young command me do I?
You, me that say, SOMPA workers.
For God and country.
Yes.
For God and country.
And, me opinion Ofie
mekwan hey but we dey be chodo so we say kwan bi me di na no pa mekwan Charlie kufudu ya omwe dia kwan pa kwan de wa
yes
mekwan batoto aso
Mitia SOMPA for Mitia PSC Mitia President John Dramani Mahama. Misentia Dr. Muhammad Baumia, the next president of Ghana. And then the MPP fraternity. Rank and file for na Michiamo. And then we buy Wabon Komobebre, One Kwesipoku, Tema West Constituency Chairman, Akasa. And I only Nanako Miansu Akasa. And I only list over so Akasa. Na I am very, very sad. As particularly about me party DNA. I can't then remember whole later. But about me party DNA, I am sad. Me wana party phone be sending me message say my honorable Ken akoki kan sembia atuba me aso na minti ya me respond ana. I'm sure that be minti. Timo ha no mo sending me video no. Timo mo sending me video na mitie video mitie nsema honorable Ken ekeka unprintable words be use you are a liar.
Not just a liar, a big liar.
A big liar. Na so I say wakoka say and because of Edubahi no yari until 1996 one contest. Okay,
that's fine.
Emra me tisa we no. To be frank, say Dr. Baumia or Tor Ghana. And he asked at the time, "Can I mean baby or was he see?" Then I had to call members of the national campaign mo di na chinibi to confirm say me pacho me sa kan video bi sesi na aye no cross Dr. Baumia akoka say ken no yare ana se bibi santina Mexican dubu ahin entina 1996 one corner na nipa so mi ankasa mi ni na chi ba me so me obebi mama hu so me hu odo ntimi da me sere ma me be 5 minutes na me cross check it maybe I'll get back to you ntimi ha be 3 minutes no frame no say look me ne team na kasa omumu bia se Dr. Baumia anye sa comment no in any of the talks, or he has been very consistent with message out they call the whole country no hwe Baumia eba ayewa so central no kasa wi a ebi okọ ayewa so west message okan wo ayewa so central said okan no from how I started only how or the way you know the same thing and sesa so they are say obejina wa enye sade a o radio but in some of best can why was so central no the beginning the middle and the end of his message the same thing so beko I was so west wagon the same thing so beko Ablekumanov the same thing and in Greater Accra turn or call ya bidi na chini nyina no they me observe you no enti one fa bibia mfiri nkyɛn anya den ambishim but the other regions in the men na chibi enti I don't know what happened enti the panel framework catch him say no wa bisa mpanifo ni nyina obi ase Dr. Baumia anya sa comment
but to cut a long story short and no ayeni chairman want to meet in komo ha
yes.
and or admit say ono no can
very good enti ehonu ana me nya other 2 videos bi the first one no it was chairman want to me and I say say or ka say Dubai na no ho yare enti but one ka say one contest you mitie untumi de no oka yare enti no one ka say Dubai here contest you but o say yare enti ye dem ompanyuku for ye den e bai so they are say ana misanti another one from Chemes Abosu ono so ka the same thing say yes I am person ono so ka bi waho eti ehonu ana mesaka book bi yesi apia menka ana chroye and apia menka book no o state wo mu say 1996 omo ko primaries no adubu ayankasa confirm o say oyare and even he referred to himself as a dead man so what you say it could be say in that particular ayina omuhu se dubu ahe yare no and then they decided say so yare dia and then 96 primaries you know instead of ye repeating no ye toma obi foforo because it is appear minka's book appear minka book but maybe concern about Kenneth Japon's ayina oye and say ose Baumia you are a liar, a big liar. Okay, can I say
but say we wuti na me chairman Kwesi Poku edin komo no ya say enya Baumia ya admitted say enya Baumia
and I make sure say yes
but Dr. Mahmoud Baumia no your beneficiary of the statement you see that's what he said
yes I listened to him
okay it's fine so
but you see when you are going on a campaign platform what you say one way you can caution your people out on your eco platform soon as say but you don't know what an MPSA is coming to say on the platform. Sometimes you know who crowd or now who here who has a best to me show. So they are saying that one you can't
just say then it me
Besi
near there.
It just a grapho. I said, so who's that? I didn't know.
Maybe too.
I got you know. Oh, and you obey me about the Cassembi. I catch your last week, before you be this week, last Friday. Your final regional meeting about Dr. Baumia campaign. Assessment in Yami, so I said, Greater Accra, Dr. Baumia is leading. But we were so cautious to say, ye ka say ye hwe ye ho ye because we don't know idea obi be kwakoka from your side e be dire campaign no. So what you say? Enti ye be sorry from the meeting no. This is what ye say ye bomb pa ye say. Ye members ni bi enko to bomb. So said identity because he admit say even lawyer just have bomb be or two he say and he came about man appointment here no e affect your campaign ni kakra so we were so concerned say look akakra na akwakoto aba no ye bomb pa ye say ye mu bi omo awa ye mu bi a ekọ abonte kokasa no obi nkoto bomb na emfa ye chances ni nya dey emba in jeopardy but bibia ko smooth for the ye waru shim say Dr. Baumia is going to win greater Accra.
And they shed here a Ken a cancer see you think that what to bomb ever affect your campaign?
Oh, a big bomb. A big bomb na what to know.
Yeah, can.
Yeah, of course, because
a big bomb.
And then I bet to just say Dr. Baumia and Kasa. So just until Udia your funny say you are aspiring to be a leader. Okay, because the first thing I did was to verify is Dr. Baumia a Kasana one. Can you say and you as a leader, no? So be a catch or say, hey, Baumia can be one concussion said no more here Argentina one contest a year. You as a leader, the first thing is to confirm, say, I'm passing. You can, and I'm passing Baumia and can ya na. And then you will look for the video and audio and confirm it for yourself. No one will say, yes, after Mikura ammunition, no, and to Mikura Bondina Metua, Misro, and yes, sir. But you didn't confirm. Oh. One confirm free baby, and I'll be now start to sell to ammunition. And in case it's so any part where you got to Obama and say, Obedi president, Obedi Ghana president. President is so there. Then be the report, I'm not for mechanism to oh yeah, leader or even MPs anyway. Grandma for some trouble. That's all China or to office. I know be able to make a say. As if BSA, I call you say. Nah, oh sorry, yeah. And if BSA, hey, who this? No, I started them BSA at them. Our bunting. So I don't know. Yeah, can emotional intelligence. So if you are a leader, you need to portray, you need to show, say, you have emotional intelligence. And then be now, what you immediately overreact. You need to take your time. You need to analyze. You need to think. You have to be self-aware before coming out with a. And the also a president here, or China, obedi president. Is that how he's going to react? So Tia said, my own him. Now I started. Attacking Kofo, didn't confront them. Now, yeah, is that how he's going to be run the presidency? Definitely, delegates, 1 million members of the public will not vote for such a person as a president. I think that is where the MPP delegates, started back and say, hey, you have a mistake, neko to Obama papa ya. Yewu. Because, onya, just say, obi on Rasemu, obetimene party for the Nina Kuntokwa. Because politics there. And then to try one be brave, and the person say, me born Casa Mebois. And then to try. And one ba. And somewhere you also. But you need a leader, a transformational leader, a leader with emotional intelligence to say, what catch me? But I say, I said, I will catch them. No, a yampa na a yampa. So, now with attitude, yeah, can a Japan display? How is he going to be able to run be a president? Or be the president? What do you mean the president? What do you mean the president?
And he lacks emotional intelligence.
Of course.
Is that what you want to say?
Yes. I am emotional intelligence. I am emotional intelligence.
Only abutre.
Yeah, what I am emotional intelligence. Because we a leader, Masa, you need to. I say utie, ubie waso, and yes, opening tie manti, and yes, what a crown tea. Come and do your campaign. So, and then say, oh, and you say a message, you know, now person on the verify and see, say, I'm panika na wanka. Say, no, no, crowd and that's a wood to be put the car, and who's over to me, and the wood to me, I'm a topic or and I'll be a car, ama I justify what some I will can because obian say want to be the kind. So just say, but this time I say who time be maba omia on kan ya kra o say waka. And it is Baumia Sasam with me and Yawa because Baumia himself a kan on his campaign tour saying 2 weeks and I know. This is the planner order comes na kwako ye say. Ombe din trato no so. Video minimum say someone who's
I have not seen it.
Okay, me send no video no. Say ombe din trato no so. Ama say mo kan ye nyina no. O ma ka say den. Waka. Wahu eti when enya wanwa. But say kakosi poku and then come ya bia they should call. Say what that we dey me say intino find a way to come back. So they are saying, and apologize. And to Ochina, what about me is a big liar. It's a big liar. If the delegates choose him as our flag bearer, that's all. Yeah. How are you going to go on a campaign trail to say so?
All right, that's what you're see for my
So that is where the emotional intelligence is. So because at the end of the day, so who can Japan if you become the flag bearer? It is incumbent on all MPP people to support behind you and campaign for you. The same way also any other person who becomes the candidate also work for a campaign man.
All right, mami
but who in a platform so a friend liar says use unprintable
also a big liar.
I didn't so be told you say am so anka. So then how do you expect the 2028 campaign to go?
Mami that was say exactly 34 after 4 SOMPA 106.5 if a minimum can say a PSA he speaks for the NDC. Like I say Tontina 74 that's who Jaman so Ebusia the Biana Makacho said Tontina 74 no a hebsa ya blendi and Yadani Dudro no a boni pedia and no pabo bino in Eurobia and yadia yadia uba yadida Dudro we masɔhwɛ ɛna magyatum ɛde bato wo obogya broso ana sɛ wo obi a ekuro bi atɔn ho ekuro no nwuda wo yɛ oba a wo bu nsa na obi ehu sɛ wo bu nsa yiyaw bɛma bi ginso ana sɛ wo kyem bɛma bi ginso a sɛ bɛma bi a metua no wo ginso sɛ wo kyem ɛno ne yɛfrɛ ne prostate enlargement mbɔmɔden na fa w'ani kyerɛ drugstore pharmacy shop be ben biar na ko tontina 74 T74 ahoban boedro it's a prophylaxis na food and drugs authority for ajatum so udi weni kire okanshi drug lina ubenya ne duduo mu etu sa so na ukokuma se ashton colina hebala ubenya ne duduo mu etu akwakoton akai se edro we brutal 02460 73498. Again, read them on 050-162-8931. Tontina 74. You Trinity T74. But those are my sorry preco. Mamin go edim PS ho. Na min go tie edim. Edim, whatever. Hey, why you injure but also Mike no man why.
Me na me josu.
E fatal de.
Me da se.
But asesa we nim pa o.
Masa kokra. Se mi amini. Se mi amini. What the man na kaza do we dey shebe.
Ai.
Me na ma me fanchie mu edin ma. Wetiefo na wahwefo. Awhwe wo abefo kwantem boy.
Sure.
Na me mo mabaso. Juma monsumu didi aboa Ghana yen democracy. Here say abre na abre bia no ye manfo nya information bia esese wonya so that they do about to so ye be informed choice.
But before let me cut in here. Me who say Sami Jevila who say last be buy na me kan ho asem de akyerɛ. Say abrante de anhwe no so ye anhwe de ye oba be di mampinyiwa. One gold board de hyehyɛ a mo de abasisi say every week bia no 1 ton of gold bia ye benye bia no ye be refine e Ghana ha. Yeah. Abrante de yo solid o. Savage view is solid.
Ni anyame ehira no ehira.
Hey, savage view is solid.
Yeah.
Solid.
Assets.
No, asset for Ghana.
Asset for Ghana.
But I do maybe na ma for pena no. I want for pena no.
Oh, you say odom enisa no so
takrache. Yeah.
Inti ene it is expected.
All right, that's fine.
Ni ayebe hia say be bom pa ya.
Ba mo pa ma na mo no ho ban. Mo no ho ban. Because asset ma NDC pa.
Absolutely.
Sure. And for Ghana.
All
right, that's fine.
Say Yankopon sa wo ma. Bibia ntimi say.
Bacho to aso.
Dey bia me ka say same de obi akone na so a omompa ma no.
Sure.
ɛnkyɛ koraa no yɛbɛhu ne so mfa so wɔ Ghana.
Good. Sami Jemfi.
Bɛhu ne so mfa so. Baabi a obiara mekyia no.
All right.
Sɛ Nyankopɔn ahoɔden de ma no. Na ɔma no nhumu. Ɛne
ntiase no mfa nyɛ adwuma no.
Sɛ ne ɔde ma Solomon.
Yeah.
Ɔma ne nea Solomon de yɛ nneɛma papa ne bi, ɛnyɛ baako ne bi. Na ontimi nso abapa mu Ghana.
Baako do so edu baabi a na ebi hu yɛ.
Pa Solo de no man kɔ so. Pa Solo man. Iti papa ɔde dom no de yɛbisa bi ma Sami Jemfi. Menya menhwɛ asemfi baabi a me brother the C MPP party.
Yeah.
A party I'm say ebebo ade ache what can the oldest political party of Ghana ha consistently
the UP.
UP. CPP by but maybe no a call from kakra but here can ya wagjan announce ache. From independence to date. MPP political antecedents, right? Na baby akeka koprempren de enhye nya kono sa se obi wo MPP party mu a na ni je oye proud pass oye MPP ni a na ebia ade bia o expect se obenya afi obi a odi na echi na enye bibi onu akasa we de many da bibi so say party beba be ye bibi ama ye nya bi de eja onchirima menye sure say ebi o hosa na ka me expect so business dey na make answer say me
so minim say den wa obechirim
well MPP since 1992 won akọ primary say flag bearer ahro wo koy ansa wo koyi Professor Edubuahen yakobon fa ne krensie what in a koi was handing the by one for Nanko Bio, no, and I got Santo Koyabo. Okoye President Kufo, another prime minister produced President Kufo. 2 occasions. And San Obayo Mampenny. And Wechi, Okoye, and Nekufuado, the same prime result. And Nekufuado contested about 3 times. And Sana, Unyakwambayo Mampenny. Na Primpri Edenaba. Anka political party a moko contest akoyobi na wabesom oman Ghana na kan e expect afi mo hoye niema bi a abema Ghana asiye banya no ne yete enya ne nipa no ebi a wakosua nimdie bi owo experience bi owo ni obetimi aba be ye de abo oman Ghana mpuntu nemum aye personal aggrandism. I didn't know say mpanyimfo pa wo enya mmarima enya motafo mpanyimfo pa awoko obi afia wa bobra owo yire ne ma owo nipa dodo a wo hwe no even party no mugre ne bebre hwe wonti na bia wo ma wo aspire up as obey flag bearer for that political party. Na mwantimi anka bibi anfa economy ho mwantimi anka bibi anfa Ghana agriculture ho mwantimi anfa bibi anfa Ghana unemployment ho ye nga kwan no mo ne ade galamsey ho munni idea bia ho betimi at sell se eyi na ye me trump card eyi nti na se mo de mekọ se menko face NDC a metimi exhibit ana metimi agina so aka se eyi de me nim yesen whoever emerged from the NDC side. But rather, you'll be your contemporary or your personalization. So be catch us or your truth different from us who try to throw. Now, guess what I say? Because the be at me slip. One obey me from. Every crowd force away right. Now they can. Into also where try to throw. You mild. No, because all your truth that is your character. Personalization. That's your trait.
And to the Ken, I can't find Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Hono. Now it was on a personal ground.
Absolutely. Now, who then? Who tell who then? A difference I bring with Dr. Baumia, you make a chance of your truthful from the opposite side.
From the opposite side.
Why not? You bet me they are tuning. Because
now somebody are tuning in the NDC for.
Yeah, can't say that.
So now can be bow liar. So now are tuning in. Yes, who go goon in cry, bow me a liar. Okay.
What is Abi that? Also, Opochichi Finsuas because of then Chemewua. When you need him.
Oh, really?
And this day, Rebecca because of say, of share Bobby say, obey you, and ye ayampa. I am no quiet.
But within but within there,
from their camp, also your true Francasa.
This is a
big liar. I justify young
Afa. Afa. I'm with the bearing.
But what the time, no sooner.
But I am with it.
Tio, who's a Mecasano? Not in person, me concern this MPP story. Me fan who's a same for me MPP near. How proud I feel. How proud I be. Tell me, Kato say, Obi will party in my prem. What's sin because I'm a proud NPP member. One here not any based on ideology or based on near beer. Also, say, a manico D party nature, no personal beer, personal favor you expect.
Sure.
Because what me general case Dr. Baumia, non can quarry. Unyabi.
Mantibi.
One and then yardin will fee party him.
Yeah.
One Alan Chirmantin film one penny style, one force on to me may depart in him. But one hour woman in Yano, what joining the campaign trail. Campaigning man, say Ghana for young Tono. No one name says Anotini. And I know when him a friend on one.
But interestingly, no, yeah, the picture be 2 years. Hey, news, friend is here. Facebook says here, our brother, Dr. Mahmoud, Safo Fafa, picture at all. But your picture, Nini, any piece here. Now, I didn't now be catch you.
I don't know when our friend are dango that day.
We are dango that day. Yeah. But you say from me to be on Facebook.
So what? Yeah. Because I me what's man if you make kumemo.
Okay, that's fine.
Right? Nti em fa me sabi you sabi. Me ni me nyansa nchengo bia Ghana ha. Nyansa fu bebre wo fie. Ye kwa ni yesua bi. So what I say? But say me go be share me say me na me political opponent te platform so ni ye ko. Nti me social media fan. I don't Facebook, I don't do anything, even though I have the account. What the man say about me comment me nya hwe. Oh hu nanim, do ba be kan no patch raw. Okoni baby. I don't believe in those things. My bet na a contest of ideas. And your personality, your personalization. Me initial have the last week.
Yeah.
Right? Oh yeah, me why am I done for? No me nyadwe on chire me so nam tia me ne nyadwe me chire na yakoyen anim one political party me say obi me ka chire me say asema okan no why you consistent from yebaka to about 2024 about Dr. Baumia won nyina campaign am an bi te no campaign abua no telling us say won go de na hyebu bi foforo bi penti ba mento no ba beto am Ghana for ana say ton sabrina and can I know what cast fan who prem yi no when him say sanote mpata na me say what ateba we are Canada Japan I stalwart of MPP now currently inti esedan no so obi betimi aka no ho nsem say ampa kan nti se ne anote no he that also or no bubu enyuma bebre obetimi afa nkrofo bebre. But today, MPP for now can stand some fan who now.
Yeah.
One and now mountains so what can so on your trophy on can acquire on yet in your tenor. Medra. Have you not heard that?
I've heard the Medra comment.
Really? What is at stake? I don't answer.
But Ebimu can say with the AC no NDC for Enche Musumu call presidential primaries. Bukwa
Ebina Abba. Yedi.
Oh.
O can say o catch them say American DC asama. Anke bia nyesa ka say na meka.
Ba musu
de asama ma yenim kra yan de yan asie ngani so ne say you governor Mangana. You stay focused. Nti na nya won say nema asesa ma ene MPP political party wonya bibia mfanye campaign.
But when is you know
wonya standard bia o.
Maybe NDC for mu suya lessons be fi a contest no mo in some for candidates no are you NDC for are you going to have some lessons
papa ben ne besu afim ne waye na den NDC yen call prime minister na ya ko bi da enti yen mo ko Tinya friend yanko hwe bibi nkosua na dem pa na wona wo yin ma osua ebe. What the one impotency in our campaign against themselves? Really?
Impotency.
Anamu wana.
The omoka chesti kana.
Mo.
Comment.
No,
no, me who here? I was like, has it gotten to that extent?
Oh, aban papa na aban ka ho. Because enke ye in economy na jija nka abetia no mudwa horo. Oh, you me na me ye, I don't know ye. Bia na me nso be ka dem biom. I don't know say what do wan adwen so to ho. Maybe say madam for be ewie ya say. Say primaries are work yi. Proud to 2012, right? And then can people call primaries and Dr. Baumia ne Trump card bedding. Now can it Trump card bedding? And yeah, my economic issues, right?
Yeah.
No way. I find.
Say no.
Now a morality contest. Currently, there was a morality contest.
Say omo your montana primaries. Omo we are, or so ba kasa on the economy.
Bro, now me cannot tell you about.
Are you with me here? I'm with you.
Mo. Sabrina Dr. Babia. No nya flag bearer grow. No ye candidate for running mate. Ma gana for some do. Inti dan na asesa. So onya bibi an kan fa Ghana economy no find portray mo say sorry. Ben na mate me solve nti mo fa ma na me nkoya na. Why do they reduce this?
For mommy.
I'm oh,
I'm
me fear 17. Oh, David. So can say I mean obey again. Say again me fear 17. It can farm home papa. Because America can say near why no ne benefits no ebebu NDC. Because party no very good wonim
omugu NPP.
Oh, minia. Me can I mean just because also we decided on no doesn't mean say be a writer.
Omugu NPP.
Yes. I mean sure.
Shamine na fa wanu si.
On say cranfo kasebi o se sayo onupa bejen lo.
Asayo onupa bejen lo.
Okay. Opanyin ni ho ana.
Opanyin ni ho.
Mo fra na rekun. Opanyin bi ani ho be pata won ana. Sa ne ma tantan sebe. Tie fom franchem. A wori di won hui. Nti opanyin bi ani fi ana. Na so opanyin wo fi a oyo opanyin a wo kasa wo beti ana. Because painful na gasa complaining. Na mo present go for you. Sabi o tias you. Na say o kan no better because we run the same contest bi da. Na ka o ma me kwanka me ko fafi ayurubu ahen bra. Na ko be say wo benya sabi o san sema o ka kire wo hu. Efi wo mu big campaign man na. Me kai pa wo ko sunyane. No ye be ye Dr. Preku JH Mensa. President Kufuor na ne Kufuado hina bi na ne ka ho won mu bia anye personal Selby na mo na kwaye ni also me na me economist Dr. Preku in the Ghana yam problem the economic issues nti no mo mfa ma me na doctor so we yare physically no o medical doctor no be hwe me ka ne campaign pa judgment so President Kufuor den ko back won anto to why banche de daw jokingly say a serious crime and nyane asabi o dan masem obi ne yire nkomo to the extent and sabi obia ne ho kafo partially say permanent to on ne one mabe no keka wo ho I mean I don't know cause na me bisa se nti opanyin ni fie na opanyin no bi obeka wo betie won tie dia ne nti am say MPP party wori gu nedin hwe mo sha say from base you call polling station elections asemaba nti wonchu kakra ho no da won so no constituency the constituency no ba be gina so no ma hele base right and on tantan bi ba e be call region won nyina kan ho yen kan homom ne yen kosoro same order but personality personalization personal aggrandizing nti e be bia makọ sha afi na hwe ne ekoso etan me de maka chon se nipa no pani se me MPP nia anka messe miska wo no ho na me campaign na man pae owura be friend Kwabena Japan
engineer Kwabena Japan.
Yes, I'm telling you Kwabena na nkokura MPP future they don't know our poor position
Nechi baby ofi. Regional ofim. And nay why disgruntled than I'm a wa. Enti obeti me ejina ho. Mia na maba monso mudini. Na wati mia United Party no. Obedi President Kufuana Mwachu. To whom be and so background not odi yeah. Nana go for which make I pass on yane. Enti minia. Well, I obi fiasem.
All right,
let's say now let me find me what's what kwako sign the peace pact.
Yeah.
Peace pact.
Yeah.
I don't need them.
Oh, omonsa ko share asumdwe krata ase say ye to aba ne wiade be si bia no.
Nemba a bread they can MP before you sad ni bi ni.
Oh, there be many friend is saying mama he edin no kra. Edi enkomo no one of the committee members are ye di omato for the peace friends peace committee, you know. We are many leading come on. He did mention say it's not the first time. Even in 2023, you know, almost signed this peace party.
But what you know, Ura Lancherman thing non party no.
Honorable Boa Manyako. Yeah.
Na Ura Lancherman. It's no party.
No party.
No cause sign this peace pact. We are not fine. Huh? One uncle you so better no. In the end now we no say and warranty say at the peace beba. Peace in me ma. Right? Niye no. I don't need the problem, beba. I don't need the assumption, beba. Niye no. Enya paper. Enya paper and a pen. It doesn't work like that.
All right.
Man, fancy. Now, Mama can say me wish you well.
Okay. And I may try some comparison of foul languages used in presidential primaries, both for the NDC and the NPP. And we know this is what I've found.
What they are doing?
No, I'm not justifying it. No, listen. Wait. Allow me, please. Unlike the NPP primaries, where specific insults have been documented, the NDC presidential primaries have historically been less contentious in terms of public use of foul language.
Yeah, absolutely.
No,
meaning said that's our history. Meaning said that is our record, but I don't think
okay, so let me take a listen.
I can also sit here and give you a litany of things
okay, so
but you see, but that is not what we are here to do. Because I'm telling you.
Then they see it.
No, hold on.
No,
there has been. I'm telling you.
Oh, really?
I'm telling you the truth. Contested at Tamils.
No.
No. One contested at Tamils. Contested at Tamils.
Wow,
contested at Tamils.
Oh, are you sure?
2004 primaries. Before Oboko 2004, no. Kwesiboche Kwabroche Baye. I know the people who were backing Kwesiboche. Omo now, Omo backing Kwesiboche at the time. Omo Nyinamita is there. Yere fiye. Kwabra do for the church, I let that know. Said they need the presidential who is not a drunkard. Oh, but that's because I know what I hear. So, ye nim de da ye nim na yanka. I've heard what we say. Okay,
just go ahead. Just go ahead.
Yes. Masa me politics my achewu.
Sir.
Hira mi nyam free mu.
Yes, but yes,
but political history.
Yes, there has been a confrontation between John Atamels and Kwesi Boche during the 2002 NDC presidential primaries held in December 2002 for the 2004 elections.
Thank you.
So it's confirmed.
A lot of things. I mean, they are causal. I mean, Ghana politics, you know. MPP no 92 me to aba.
I had the Uber fact check.
Thank you.
Good.
And I miss me obia. Me mpese me din tro.
Sure.
And me ka sema minim sa adasa minim de see here ansana maka. Me ko kasa me ti wa ha na me ti wa ha. So just here. Go say between President John Mahama Sisiane Kwabena Dufo so obuso mu de beba later Kwabena Dufo ka say John Mahama is a drunkard so beba and so there's a, but that is not it. That is not what we are looking for. And yeah, good example.
All right.
And yeah, good example I say because obia pe president dia oto what you say the obet my no work. Yes, you can jab your opponent a little. And it's allowed in politics. Politics be anyway yeah jabu obi. But you na safe that then go so personal. Go so personal like adani atem didie na adani to say otan bi na wo akoma mu I say asuma si die onye nipa kura we ni say man kwan kura man ebe president no ho eni so dibi president adenta metra na we abedi president. This is exactly what is happening you. Say wo kura de ke say president ni so adenta na me metra na we abedi bi so president. Now I make a joke 2023 peace parks no so awo ka no. After Alan's exit,
and I'm saying,
and then no
all right.
What I say because I'm call super delegates, no.
Sure.
And after super delegates, now who say, favor no, and or announce the resignation from the party. And that's where the National Council met. What I say, and into omo qualify nipa 5, and the National Council focus here, and omo invite you to a meeting, and that is where they went to sign that thing.
Thank you very much.
And also, so you first record, but I'm in said the MPP has the longest political tradition in Ghana. No correct. But all them papa be why management
I afraid for the man 6 minutes why Mr.
Papa Obabi or say group formation.
Yeah.
It shows signs of maturity. You were forming. You were norming. You were storming. You were performing. And you also say,
yeah, me
a formal, affair, norms, behavior.
So forming, norming, perform,
storming. Storming, no, a honor yana in Tokwa. They are looking for one of the leader. One of the a woman. Now, sir, I need to be SCVR. Now, you perform performing.
And after performing, what next?
Disband,
okay.
But critics is also what you say. It's not serious, because storming and norming can also clash. What do you say? In Tokwa, every group will be able to go through search. It is a MPP. You got to aba. Na say Sanyama we abamu a. Enya dia. Eni pese betra ha say when a good party na or assembly say there.
But
a sign of maturation.
So okay say a sign of maturation. Any PSA says that the more Kenyan no, it is to their advantage.
So you see, I don't know what you say. Of course, they are they will take advantage of it.
Sure.
But I do not be expecting any PSA kasa no beka say. Dr. Baumia kasa. So they say enti say oh friend say or to base and some na we dey to so say wakanta also or your liar no. Wanka. Enti no that word liar no does not stick on Baumia. So they say I say asem no okanya. And I beka say oh when they wakabeka kire enti yesu ya be so me say but it is clear. Say papa no wankasa enti can Japan the date asema atono so and all friend is all your true for. So the Ghanaian people who are so discerning also know say asema papa ni dey to Baumia so no. E just an assembly tie. Baumia has never been, he's not a liar. Baumia, I'm telling you, and all say economy ni koye. It's not like that. We want to concentrate and choose our leader. Baumia all share a yini nyinano. Ya analysis. PP lost the election. It's not the NDC that won the election. That is what it is. Because there are 2.1 million people who voted for MPP in 2021. In 2020 elections. Now, Ubeka said those people were angry on NDC. What you say? But on the board for MPP. And you Obaka to Abanama NDC there. and obetena fi
go.
So what you say?
And
this is what affected us. And that is where NDC should also be wary because here to two your money in our
for money.
Na ye kabom na for sanko for who say yes 2028 they are out.
Me that say Mami Kel say RSYD no VG Studios e won kran ha wo mo cha kwan e wo Malam Abease Kokro Street, first Kokro Street no so. Na the only yeri me ba to say wo pese wutwa aye video. Ana wutwa sinibi. Ana say wo pese wutwa picture quality. Udi birthday. You want to go for picture shooter? RSYD no Video Studios. Me ba to cameras omo use oro. Be food dey be. Wo ko studio ho so omo creative director. Professional backdrops and omo use. Remember, Edino RSYD no Video Studios. That is where they turn your vision into reality. Bamandina from 057-4715-778. Again, call them on 030-3974-822. If you really want to create something pictorially or in the form of video, extraordinary, Kaiser Dino, RSYD no Video Studios. I mean, go ahead and PSC. I mean, a name shortly before I'm a course.
Me na was
sure.
MPP history de
Captain
Bigo oti hey sebe rules our flout and immigration for nakosonum no susu say say or the immigration for go mo fra frame osuya home our primary school we benya bia kan fa no e bia na anya positive be negative because negativity no do so chen positivity eba won amamumu there to share bi say e bia obedi for was our immigration for nti odi for a na ema bi wa obekọ okrum ana yemfa wonko what you say it go say na ahia kobi wom nti obeba na kan say the nang ba ko sigana
positive and I say negative
obesi ha
obeba gana
kan bia so no
mama na wase
yeah ne be very hwedinse
can be kakra
you say the NPSA ka wa ha sesia na different from asema attorney general be ka kire because attorney general ma ya ti ase say the enkoso America no your money office any American government now in fact you revoke keneforiata visa ama ye man up to November say onko and one con otina ho until the enkoso ni nyina no between the government of Ghana and the US government in an attempt to bring back who say
FBI force the omuhajim and two things.
No, you see, my clarity.
That's what my clarity.
The genesis of the case. Can ground.
Sure.
Or better check all documentation.
Yeah.
Later. And no one said that papa you overstay. Young fan
Sure.
We're inviting a Ken mum and then one court filing say or per se 1 man extension. So what I
don't know how fast
I'm the immigration if you move no so says so but extradition case near different.
But I'm telling you say when ice emra Mr. Yo Ghana ha me ye news ye government when am wa bremu patrol when am wa bremu ntimo kasa ye tie mo attorney general Dominic Ayine ko joy news.
So how wait, we'll fetch that video. I'll fetch that video. Thank you so much. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Me ba so wana me ka say.
14 ka 57.
Me ba so wada mama ntie we.
Yo Prof, ma mentia wa TF4. Mentia MPP ni na wana mentia Yevla Dr. Mahmoud Baomi aye ma me bi sa committee ne Yevla John Bodo. Prof, now any card in the NPA card, Mr. MP for the movie or MP for my death and anything. And we had any deal. Partner, the energy now NDC for the American NDC for more. But the Mama got them moving at the mother. I call motivate to communicate.
Yeah, Miss Rowe. That's on the main mountain. Why? Because many people how can because me I don't have those facts, so I can't allow you to say. Hello, good evening.
Abochi.
Yeah, me pacho wana menene ka say.
Ya wana.
Me pacho why?
Pacho Jesuma me ya wana.
Na kasa we dem. Adagado. Afuyo relabo. Lanfia Benbe.
No. Why?
Lanfia Benbe.
Yo, Mati. Kramano. Manya bakwa.
Oh, and the member party remember so.
Kramana.
Aye.
Oh, me
oh, ma oranaba. But what kawas of there?
We want now for the town of Time get a free caswa.
Oh, the croissant. That's fine.
Yeah, man, the more about I mean Chabe Black Joe Ashamai or communication of Chama. The best very soft and Mr. Brown, Yamin Chama degree I could to 20 and a regional organizer. We had to put now for Concam Martin. We'll go to man. It's Papa, you may put you.
Yes.
We take MPP or more about to a more yes, we said. I have a friend at the and Mania, a big Dr. Babu will be on one on the farm. Because, or no, I said you said it, and throw the amount how the two lead you. I will come. Or no, I'm not going down, but you know, I say, oh, my. Jessica, $12 million, and you know what the Jessica, you know, baby, at Babu Town. Over to me, I get baby, that's actually. They could be a young woman, so my year and on the Toronto. The MPP here come to try someone. Only a month ago, you
yeah, me that's it. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, our prof.
Yeah, me that's 1 minute, Cassie.
I saw right name Abusoka.
Abusoka, I'm holding.
Yami Adoma Abusoka and the other.
Good. What am I about?
I'm much more than our mom perform. So much in Yamaka, Monte, Yama, Matisu, or Abusoka.
Me that's
1 year, I would say. 2024. Things are easy. Now you have on it. 23,000. If you have thought, you could be said to be there. And then the boy saying, don't put so much in your mouth. Mammy,